Hi, this is Concept Clarity by Ajanta ma'am. The fall of Macbeth. How did he meet his end? From a fearless warrior to a doomed tyrant, Macbeth's downfall was inevitable. But how did his final days unfold? Let's break it down. Macbeth, once a brave general, had become a ruthless king, but his downfall had already begun. The witches had warned him, and now his enemies were closing in. Macbeth's overconfidence and the witches' deception. The witches gave Macbeth 3 prophecies that made him overconfident. Beware of Macduff, no man born of a woman shall harm you, and you'll be safe until Birnam Wood moves to Dunsinane. Macbeth believed he was invincible, but fate had other plans. Then Lady Macbeth's death, a turning point. As Macbeth prepared for the battle, news arrived. Lady Macbeth was dead. The guilt of their crimes had consumed her, and she could bear it no more. She should have died hereafter, life's but a walking shadow, Macbeth says in Act 5, Scene 5. Macbeth was shaken, but he had no time to grieve. The battle was near. Thirdly, Birnam Wood moves, the prophecy comes true. Then came the impossible. The Birnam Wood was moving. Malcolm's army cut branches to disguise themselves, fulfilling the witch's prophecy. I pull in resolution and begin to doubt the equivocation of her find. Act 5, Scene 5. For the first time, Macbeth felt fear. Then Macbeth versus Macduff, the final battle. Then came Macduff, the very man Macbeth feared. Confident, Macbeth declared, I bear a charmed life which must not yield to one of woman born. Act 5, Scene 8. But Macduff had shocking news. He was not born naturally, but was delivered by a C-section. Macduff was from his mother's womb, untimely ripped, Act 5, Scene 8, and Macbeth's fate was sealed. Lastly, Macbeth's death, end of a tyrant. Macbeth fought till the very end, but destiny had caught up with him, and Macduff struck the final blow, and Scotland free from his tyranny. With Macbeth's dead, Malcolm took the throne, bringing peace back to Scotland, and the witches' prophecies had come true, but not in the way Macbeth had expected. Was Macbeth doomed from the start, or did he create his own downfall? Drop your thoughts in the comments for more in-depth English literature explanations, and subscribe to Concept Clarity by Ajanta ma'am. Thank you.